this song is called Light It Up. And the first thing that we're going to do is what repeats during the chorus for the whole song. So you're going to take your right hand and you're just going to give a little swoop for Light It Up. Then you're going to take your left and repeat it again. Light it up. Then the music builds a little bit and says light it up 2 more times. This time you're going to take your left foot and you're going to step to the right. And then you're going to use both hands for light it up. And then it's a 3 count, and then you step back, and when you hear the music, that will make more sense. And then we go take our right foot to the left side, same thing, 3 count, and go back. Then we get to the verse. And for the verse, we're doing a version of the Cupid Shuffle. So what we're going to do is we're going to start and move to the right. So we've got 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, clap. Then we go to the other side. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, clap. So one more time. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, clap. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, clap. And then from here, we step forward with our right foot and then our left. So it's a 1, 2, 3, 4. And then from here, what we do is we do 2 turns, both with our right leg out front. So put your right leg out front, and then you're going to pivot towards the back. Then you're going to take your right leg, put it in the front again, and pivot towards the front. And then you start that progression again. And the second time you get back to it, you're actually going to do 4 turns in a row. So you'll turn it once, turn it twice, turn it 3 times, turn it 4 times, and then you'll go in to light it up. Now, if you're in God's Big Backyard, you're not going to do the Cupid Shuffle motion. We're going to keep it simple, and we're just going to step and clap during that whole time, during the whole verses. The only other part of the song is the bridge, and the music really slows down, so you're going to do pretty slow motions. And the words are, I want the world to see. So what you're going to do is point to yourself for I. You're going to make a world with your hands, and then for see, you're kind of crossing your peace sign fingers over your eyes, and you're moving your arms down very slowly with the slow pace of the music. The one little catch to notice, though, is to keep up with the pace of the music, you're going to point to yourself on I, and then on want, you're actually moving ahead to the next motion. So it's I want the world to see. And then you draw it out. And so you do that 3 times, and then you're going to do your right leg in front turn. And then it's with the words switch up a little bit, and this time it says, I want the world to know. So I want the world to know. And you point to your head. And then you turn and do your pivots again, and then you get back to light it up. And that's the song. Right, 2, 3, 4. Left, 2, 3, 4. Step, 2, 3, back. Step, 2, 3, back. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, clap. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, clap. Step, 2, 3, 4, turn. One, two, and 3 and 4, clap. Step, 2, 3, 4. Turn it. Again. Turn it. Right, 2, 3, 4. Left, 2, 3, 4. Step, 2, 3, back. Step, 2, 4, 5, step, 2, 3, 4, turn, 1, 2, and 3, and 4, 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, 5, step, 2, 3, 4, turn, again, turn it.